Hey everyone, if your Discord roles are not working, like roles not assigning, disappearing, or permissions not applying in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Discord roles issues. First, check if the role is actually assigned to the user. Sometimes it appears added but isn't properly saved. Next, check role hierarchy. I mean, Discord roles depend on order, so higher roles override lower ones. Now, check role permissions carefully. Make sure important permissions like sending messages or managing channels are enabled correctly. After that, check channel specific overrides. I mean, channel settings can block or change role permissions. If you are using bots, check bot role position. The bot must be higher in the role list to manage other roles properly. You can also refresh the system by re-inviting bots or reassigning roles. I mean, this fixes syncing issues. Finally, restart Discord and test everything. Sometimes changes take a few seconds to fully apply. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord roles issues in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your roles should start working properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone,